Okay, I am trying a cake mix cookie recipe using red velvet cake that has a little bit of a twist. I thought, well, that's kind of cool. Okay, so I got my red velvet cake mix here. And my eggs. And oil. This recipe is in our Dining on a Dime Cookbook, Volume 2, on page 278. We have 3 pages of variations. Now I've got my cookie sheet. Okay, I got my cookie scoop here, and I'll put one. Oh man, I got one cookie left. Let's see, can I? Okay, let's see. Smush down a little bit. You know what, those are gonna spread too much. I just know they are. So I'm just gonna do another pan. Playing cookie Jenga here. Okay, here's the secret ingredient though. I got these white chocolate hearts. And I saw this is not my original idea. I saw this on the internet, so credit to whoever it was. I was just scrolling through Facebook or someplace where I saw it. And she put these in the center, and supposedly they will turn out. So what I'm testing here is to see if they're gonna turn out, okay? I'm gonna throw this in the oven and bake it. All right, there we go. Okay, I just was dealing with one of my offspring passing out. So these got left in just a little bit too long. Well, I had to go help them. So I put in the next tray. So let's see if the next tray doesn't get toasty, but that actually would be really yummy, like a toasted marshmallow. So gonna let these cool and then we'll see. All right, these are the correct time here. Now, I need these beautiful ones for thumbnail. So here is the, look at that, oh yum. You gotta love a good real velvet cake.